Hello, girls and boys. I'm Crafty Cathy, and today I'm here with some of my friends from Avenue C, and we're going to be making pine cone bird feeders. All you need is some things from your home or things that you can get outside. First, you'll need a pine cone. You can get those under any tree. Then you'll need some smooth peanut butter. You know, the kind that your mom uses to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Then you'll need some regular bird seed. Yup, that's right. That's what the little birds are going to munch on once you hang your feeder. And to hang it, you'll need a pipe cleaner, a ribbon, or some yarn. All right. Is everybody ready to make their pine cone bird feeder? Yeah! All right, children. Now take your knives, your plastic knives, and you may need adult supervision for this, and dip it in your peanut butter. Come on, children. Dip into the peanut butter. Oh, yes, that's just lovely, lovely. Now take your peanut butter and start spreading it around your pine cone. Make sure you get it into all those grooves. Lots of hungry birds, you know. Oh, what a lovely job we're doing, dear. Just lovely. How are we doing with that peanut butter, children? Okay. Has anyone got their pine cone totally covered with peanut butter? Who's ready to dip theirs into seed now? Oh, okay. One at a time, let's dip your pine cones into a plate of bird seed. We're dipping our pine cones in bird seed. Oh, this is so much, isn't this fun, dear? I just love it. Oh, yes, we are. Okay, children, how are we doing with those bird feeders? Yes? Are they all ready for those sweet little hungry birdies? Tweet, 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 tweet. Are we ready to hang them yet, children? All right, then all we need is a tree. Oh, wow, what a lovely tree, children. Now all you need to do is go outside, children, and find a lovely tree where all your little bird friends come and play, and hang your pine cone bird feeder on a branch where the birds can easily get to it. And then you'll have some happy little neighborhood birds in your avenue and in our avenue, Avenue C. Join us next time. Goodbye. Goodbye.